What's the meaning of counterblast? Counterblast. Counterblast.
Counterblast. Counterblast. Counterblast refers to a vigorous and forceful response, usually in the form of a verbal or written attack against something that has been said or done. The primary goal of a counterblast is to challenge or refute an earlier statement or action and to assert a different perspective or viewpoint. By engaging in a counterblast, the speaker or writer attempts to put forward their own ideas, opinions, or beliefs while discrediting those of others. Ultimately, the result of a successful counterblast is to provoke thought and stimulate critical thinking on a given topic.